Today I'm going to show you guys another butterfly dish mold. This one is a Duncan mold. It's from 1965, and unlike the last one, we are going to cut the excess from around the pour hole before we unmold it. I don't know how to describe this really well, so I'm just going to do my best, but basically when I was looking inside this one, it was less scary than the other one. I knew that there was empty space underneath for my knife to go into. The other one, the clay from the piece sat much higher up, much closer to where my knife was going to go, and I thought I was going to cut through it. The first time I attempted to open this mold, it had been sitting for about 2 hours from when I cast it, and the two parts of it did not want to separate. I tried using a rubber mallet and the condensed air to get the pieces apart, and neither one of them really worked. And at this point, the temptation to just kind of like pry the pieces apart is very strong, but I resisted and I just waited another couple of hours. It didn't release naturally, but a couple of taps with my rubber mallet, and this time it popped right open. I always have to remind myself that prying it open is never the answer. If you have to pry, that means that it's stuck somewhere, and if you do pry it, you're just gonna rip the piece wherever it was stuck. This butterfly dish is a little bit bigger than the other one. It doesn't have the same kind of like separation in the sections of the wings. I really like both of them, and I am happy to have two options.